In this video, we're going to discuss how to get or use a macro on PS5. So as you can see right here, this user is asking about macros on PS5. They need their macros redone, specifically hello and thx for the party ones. So for this case, what we can do is, as you can see, there's some options or some comments right here. So to do that, you first need to head over and get your keyboard, click on System, and click on Use Your Macros. Select the one that you want and then create the one that you want and then set it to hotbar. So you can make macros for quick communication, but definitely get a keyboard because not communicating in an MMO is both bizarre and liability to the people one is with. So you can play with a keyboard or you can also use an actual quick communication for the macros. You can head over and do as you please right here into this particular case as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need. Thanks so much for watching.